Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In today's meditation, we will be exploring the gentle practice of surrender. Taking a soft and soothing approach to this meditation, we will open to release of tensions held in both body and mind. To begin, I invite you to come to a comfortable seated or lying down position with your back straight and your shoulders relaxed. Ensure your spine and neck are aligned and that you feel comfortable, balanced, and stable. Gently close your eyes as you tune into the natural rhythm of your breath. As we move through this meditation, know that there is nothing you need to achieve or accomplish. This practice is an invitation to allow yourself to be and to let go in any way that feels comfortable to you. So as you mindfully watch breaths flow into and out of the body, see if you might settle into this space more completely by releasing any physical tension that is present. Starting at the head, slowly scan the body downwards, softening any tension where it feels safe and comfortable to do so. Soften your forehead, your jaw, your chest and shoulders, and your belly. And feel free to mindfully make any adjustments to your position if needed. Continue to breathe as you open the body up to deeper relaxation, grounding yourself through each breath. Take just a few more slow and steady breaths here, and in a few moments, we will deepen our understanding of what it means to surrender. To surrender, or to let go of the mind, is to cease resisting. It is to allow things to be, to soften, or to open. And while surrender might in one way appear to be a simple task, it is not always as easy as we might think. When it comes to surrendering or letting go of whatever lives in the mind, we often come against some resistance. Thoughts, beliefs, and emotions are often so deeply ingrained in us, making it difficult to let them go just by will alone. Surrender is not an easy task, but it is one we can remind ourselves to practice again and again. As we settled into this meditation, we began the practice of surrender. By drawing awareness to the body as it is in any given moment, we can consciously invite relaxation to any area where tightness or tension is observed. When both breath and body relax in this way, it sends a signal to the mind, letting it know it is safe here. So let's explore this a little bit further now, starting by just tuning into the body once again. Notice if the body has unconsciously clenched any muscle groups. And then invite these areas to release themselves wherever it feels natural to do so. Allow the breath to deepen into the belly on the inhalation and be released completely on the exhalation. And now, I invite you to draw your awareness to any thoughts, feelings, or beliefs that may be moving through you. As anything arises, see if it is possible to surrender it, even if just for a moment as you exhale. Let each thought rise as it pleases, and then let it go on the out-breath. You can practice this witness and release with any thought, any story, or any self-limiting belief that you subconsciously carry. Whatever no longer serves you, see if you might surrender it on your next out-breath, even if only partially, even if only for this moment. Grounding yourself through the breath, remind your forehead to be soft, your belly to be relaxed, and the breath to flow deep. Now, gently repeat the following words before we close this meditation. Silently let them fill you and free you. I release what no longer serves me. I surrender with grace and ease. I am light, free, and at peace. Now, turn your attention back towards the breath, noting its innate ebb and flow. And then, notice the solidity and support of the ground beneath you. Take one last deep breath in and out. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed today's session. See you again.